What's up, YouTube? Obviously, this is not Olivia. Olivia is away, busy today, so I'm gonna help her out a little bit. She got in a new Young Living, they call these something like an EDC or something like that, but she gets one every month, and I'm gonna unbox it for her. Liv's been doing this for about 2 months now, and it's pretty cool. I get to smell a lot of cool things, and everything is all natural, so it's nice. I have opened the box, but I don't know what's in it, and I have no idea what a lot of these things do, so I'm gonna go slow. Alright, let's do it. First up, we have a big bag, a really big bag. Pure Protein Complete. The flavor is Chocolate Deluxe. I'm not a big protein guy. I like to eat my food instead of drink it. When it comes to like pre-workout and protein, me and Liv kind of are the opposite. I like candy flavors. She's more of like a blueberry. I think she's only blueberry. But like I said, I don't like to drink protein. I like to eat it, but let's open it and taste it. Like I said, this is Chocolate Deluxe. Tastes like chocolate. Not bad, not bad. Put a banana in there, get a banana chocolate, good stuff. And that's a lot too. Next we have Whitening Toothpaste. We've had this this is our second now. This stuff's good, it tastes very, very good. White Thieves and Orange. I think Thieves is like cleaning stuff. I'm not really sure, but this stuff is good. Next, Peppermint. Big Peppermint. Peppermint smells good. I think Liv puts it on for her headaches, and I actually found out today. Guys, Peppermint makes you fart less. True story. I read that on the internet. So we got a large Peppermint. Purification. Seems like it's meant to like purify you. I don't know. No idea. The purification in red. Envision. This is a little guy. I don't know what this is. You know what? I have no idea what this does, so we should call her. Let's call Liv and see what it does. Envision.
What do you have in your food?
What does Envision do?
What's what?
What does Envision do?
I don't know. Envision is like, it's like when you're trying to get creative, or like it kind of helps you get in that like creative mode and that thinking mode of like envisioning your future and stuff.
Oh, all right, cool.
You're supposed to ask me. It's meant to kind of guess.
All right, all right. Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. All right, well there you heard it. Envision is for creativity, and we're both teachers, so we're probably gonna use this a lot. Next up, ooh, Peace and Calming. This is gonna be good right here. I think this makes you sounds like it makes you sleep better. It makes you more at peace. I think she said there's one in here that like helps with dreams, but I don't know if it's this one or not. But Peace and Calming, you heard it. Endoflex. I don't know what this one does either, but it doesn't endo mean like something with your skin, so maybe that's what it is. I have no idea. Endoflex. Maybe it's like a muscle relaxer, because doesn't endo mean skin and then flex like flex your muscles? I don't know. Maybe. Next one we have Kid Sense Genius. I'm not gonna lie, I have never even heard, come on focus, I have never even heard of the word genius, so I don't know what this does. Let me see if I don't know how to work this camera either. Genius. Geneyeus. It's meant for kids too, so I don't know why we have it. Common sense. This is, I like when they label these things like this because it's easy to tell what they do. This one is obviously to enhance your common sense, your ability to sense commonly. Some lavender. I know this one she puts on for headaches. I have actually tried this one a couple times and it's great. Put it on the back of your neck. Don't take Advil. Lavender. Smells good too. And what else we got in here? Rosemary. I know that's a plant. This is actually, I learned this the other day. See, I thought you could eat or ingest all of these oils, but you're actually not supposed to. You're only supposed to eat the ones with a white label on them. So this is the only one we got so far that has a white label, so you can eat this. I don't know why you would eat it, but I don't know why you'd eat rosemary. But we have it in our garden, and now we have it in an oil. Last but not least, more peppermint. So yeah, we have 2 peppermints. I think she was saying that she got one of these for free. So we got the big guy, and then we got the little guy. We are gonna have so much peppermint up in here, it's amazing. So peppermint, I think this one's a smell good, and it makes you fart less. And what else we got in here? We got a little card. Oh yeah, we did get a free product. We got a free product for being a member. But yeah, that's all that's in the box. And this is my first go at this, so I'm sorry if I messed up. But here we go. Let's say it again. We got all this stuff in our order this month. See ya. I am actually gonna do one more oil because I use this one a lot and it's my favorite. And this is probably the only time I'm ever gonna do this again. So I'm gonna go over my favorite, which I think Liv got this for free a month ago. Citronella. Boom. All right, right here. This is the good stuff. I'm a big outdoors guy. I'm still playing baseball. I like to go fishing. I like to do pretty much anything outside. And the one thing that stinks about the outside in the summertime, not the heat, but the bugs. And this stuff right here, you can put it anywhere. You just can't eat it because it don't have that white label. But you put it everywhere, no bugs. I have actually seen a mosquito come to me, try to eat me, get my blood, stop right there. It's like a shield on your skin. The mosquito comes and he just goes right away because this stuff is that good. Now, I didn't know that you could put citronella on your skin because you buy it at the stores and it says like toxic and all that stuff. But this stuff right here you can put right on yourself and it does keep the bugs away. See you later.